This is my life. Every day on B-Day, I come to theater class the first period, and it is the best class ever. Look at Sterling. Hi guys, those are people I've seen with in theater. Yep, this is a video on my life on B-Days. The best class ever. Like, seriously, this is a cool class to have in period.
Look at my nose ring.
Okay.
Did you get bigger?
Hey, everybody just playing frisbee. Look at them playing frisbee. Oh, look, he's gonna throw it over here. He's gonna throw it over here. Over here, Robbie. Over here, Robbie. There's so much distractions in this class. You wonder why I have short attention spans. Alright, and that is theater class, and we're about to go now.
Peace up, camera person. Benita.
What?
Peace.
Peace.
Good time.
Your camera. Okay. This is the best class ever because everyone's playing frisbee. Calvin flipped Matthew with the wrestling move. Gino and Elvis are wrestling, and Benita's taking a movie of it all.
And it's got the hottest dude in here.
Right here with the biggest guns.
And that's a wrap. Peace.